Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get this lovely Mazda, we're gonna get it bath cleaned up and do a little bit of work as far as detailing and just make it look like a car after all the rust, the cutting and welding, blah blah blah. It's literally, it just looks like it's never been cleaned. So we're gonna take our time, give it a bath, and then we'll just walk through. Everybody knows how to wash a car, but we like to do it from the top down. We'll give it a good cleaning, and then tomorrow we're gonna do all the vacuuming, shampoo the interior. It's leather, so it's not that bad, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done, and then we'll get it up for sale. But anyways, just a quick thank you again. Like, subscribe, hopefully you follow. We'll set this phone down and we'll get to work. All right, take care, enjoy it. I mean, again, washing a car, but it's the end result that I love. We'll get to work on it. Get it rinsed off. We're gonna hopefully get this fast forwarded so you don't have to sit there and watch me wash a car, and we'll get the final look at it when it's all nice and clean. Wow, get her done. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's all. Quick bath. See, not a bad looking little car. We still got to get the hubcaps for it. Obviously got to still do the interior, and then from there we've already done the safety, new brakes on the car all the way around. I think we had to do a tie rod on it as well, and good little car for somebody. We'll get the final shots of it once the interior is done and the hubcaps are on. Well, thanks again for the follow, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you again. We'll move on to the next project, which is going to be a weld fabrication on this lovely unit. Just brought in out of the cold, and you can see we got lots of rot on this one. Completely gonzoed. Other than the ice, it's a holy car. So we'll get that all cut out, welded up, both sides on that thing. Gotta admit though, got a like for it. Started right up in the cold. We was sitting outside, and that's the next job. Again, thanks guys. Take it easy. We'll see you on the next job. Ciao.